Hello guys, Sam here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As an autistic person, my channel is a safe place to discuss DIYs, showcase my artwork, and much more. Follow me on my social media platforms at Instagram, Hello DIY Sam, TikTok, Samantha Collado 0, and Twitter, Sam Hello 19. If you enjoy my content, please leave a drop like button, a comment, and don't forget to do all the beautiful things on your keyboard. Peace. Hey guys, Sam here, back with a cool video. Holla at me, and I holla back at you, girl. It goes two ways. So for today's video, I'm going to create a DIY Valentine's mason jar message. And yesterday I was practicing this mason jar before showing you, and I was looking at a YouTube video of what I could do for you guys. So I was able to find some materials around my home, and basically what you need is a mason jar, long pieces of brown fabric, long pieces of yarn, paint palette, the color red, good old scissors, tag, plastic cup, washi tape, positive affirmations, plastic cup, glue, pink paper shredded confetti, and lastly, I was able to find this around my home and do something cute with this notebook. So stay tuned for part 2.
So I had everything together, and then when I finished filming the project, I messed up because I put my phone on the wrong setting, and then I had to think of a backup plan. So let's jump back into our creative world. So as you can see here, I shaped out some hearts with the paint, and then I let it dry, and I went back in to use a black Sharpie to trace out the hearts. That was part of the first video. I used it leftover pink tissue paper. As I'm going back and forth with the glue, I'm taking the long piece of the brown fabric or something to wrap it over with the pink tissue paper. I'm taking the pink shredded confetti and the pieces of messages to put inside a jar. And lastly, I'm taking the tag to make a sign. Alright guys, so for this second DIY for Valentine's, I'm taking the DIY notebook to create a Instagram photo. I'm using white paint and just being creative. Now I finish with the white paint, and then I am looking at the Instagram photo template to trace out my own idea, and I'm doing my happy dance. Alright guys, it's time to bake with Sam. So for this last Valentine's idea, as you could see here, I'm creating a heart cake. And I got the heart cake pan from Amazon. I accidentally put the eggs before putting the other ingredient. I usually don't do that, but that was 100% my mistake. Yeah, I was gonna do this the first day of February, but I couldn't help myself when I saw this heart cake pan. So I decided to do it today. So the cake didn't turn out the way I wanted to, and I tried to save what's left of the cake. Now I am frosting the broken down cake. I print out some pictures and I'm using it as cake toppers. So this is the final product and let me know what you think.